Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit fiat currencies into Nexo. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to deposit fiat currencies into your Nexo account using the Nexo mobile app. The first thing to do is to log into your Nexo account, open the Nexo mobile app, and if prompted, log in using your email address and password. On the home page or the home screen, look at the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. You're going to find Dashboard, Wallet, Markets Card, and Exchange. Select Wallet. Typically, once you click on Wallet, it's going to display a wide array or a list of cryptocurrencies and fiat currency. Now go ahead and choose the fiat currency that you want to withdraw. So let's say USD. USD is my fiat currency. So I'm just going to open up the USD and it takes me to this window. Now in this window, you see the top up USD option and the buy USD. So you can choose any of them. So buy with a card or top up from an external wallet. So let's say one top up. Now click on top up. I cannot proceed with this because I have not verified my identity. So go ahead and click on this continue button and follow the processes to identify your identity. To verify your identity, that's if you have not. But after doing that, I'm just going to show you what to do from here. Once you select top up, you'll be given options to, okay, so this is to deposit via bank transfer or credit card. So credit card, if you click on buy USD, or you can use top up USD from external wallet or even bank transfer. So here are the steps. You'll be provided with, so you'll be given options to deposit fiat via bank transfer. The SEPA for UR, SWIFT for USD and other currencies, or your credit/your debit card if supported in your region. So choose the method that suits your needs or click on top up to get that from an external wallet. For bank transfer, the SEPA or SWIFT, you will be provided with Nexo's bank account details. These details will include Nexo's IBAN, BIC, or SWIFT code and reference number. So copy these details carefully. For credit or debit card, enter your credit card details and the amount you wish to deposit. That's your credit or debit card details. If using bank transfer, the SEPA or SWIFT, go to the bank's online banking portal or app and initiate a transfer. Paste Nexo's bank account details and ensure you include your unique reference number in the transaction. After entering your card information, confirm the transaction to deposit the desired amount. Wait for the deposit to be processed. For SEPA transfers, it usually takes 1 to 2 business days to process. And for SWIFT transfers, it may take 3 to 5 business days. Credit or debit card deposit are typically instant. Once the transfer is processed, the deposited fiat currency will appear in your Nexo account balance under the Fiat Wallet section. And that's it, you've successfully deposited fiat currency into your Nexo account. You can now use these funds to earn interest, make crypto purchases, or access other Nexo services. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.